Hello, today I will show you how to solve this harmonic equation. First of all, I will express the left-hand side in the form r cos t plus alpha. Then, using the double angles, I will expand it, which will be equal to r cos t cos alpha minus r sin t sin alpha. Then I'm writing the left-hand side of that equation as, now I'm equating term per term. So the 5 cos t equated with r cos t cos alpha, and the 12 sin t, r sin t sin alpha. So 5 cos t is equal to r cos t cos alpha. Cos t cancels, so 5 is equal to r cos alpha. On the other hand, 12 sin t is equal to r sin t sin alpha. Sin t and sin t cancels, so 12 is equal to r sin alpha. Taking the ratios of the both sides, we have that r sin alpha over r cos alpha is equal to 12 over 5. And that is that tan alpha is equal to 12 over 5. Taking the inverse of it, and alpha is equal to 1.18 rad. Now let's find the r value, and r equals to 13. Expressing the left-hand side in the form r cos t plus 118. So 13 cos t plus 1.18 is equal to 9. Now let's fix the range of this variable to make it the same. So t plus 1.18 smaller than equal to pi plus 1.18 and higher or equal than 1.18. Let theta be t equals to 1 plus 1/8. Now substituting, cos theta is equal to 9 over 13, and then theta is in the range. Solving it, theta inversing it, 9 over 13, and then theta is equal to 0.81. Let's do the cast diagram, and the cosine is positive on that quadrant and on that quadrant. That's not a solution, so one solution is, so that is 2 pi minus 0.81, and the other solution is, which is 2 pi plus 0.81. So let's substitute them. T plus 1.18 is equal to 2 pi minus 0.81. T equals 4.29. Let's get the other value, and T equals 5.91. Thank you.